Hello guys, welcome to Compare It. I am RK. So today we're going to unbox Avita Liber V14 and give you a detailed review about this laptop. So this laptop is just 35,000, comes with i5 10th gen, 512GB of SSD, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and other specifications will be given as you move forward in this video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So yeah, here we have the package from Amazon. The outside package is not so good, but it's okay. What matters is inside. So here we have a big box from Avita with side thermocol. So I'll remove this laptop, keep it aside, and next let me remove this charger. So the packing of the charger is okay, not so good, not so bad. So let me open this, and here we have a charger, and then this is 37 watt fast charger. So they claim within 2 hours the battery of the laptop will be full. So here we have the Avita box. This is like the shining colors of the Avita branding, looks good. Removing the thermocols, we have the last package for our laptop. So yeah, here we have the laptop within a cloth. So here we have one more lock to open this laptop. Okay, opening the laptop. The first thing you notice when you open a laptop is like it's super lightweight, so you don't actually feel the weight of the laptop. So yeah, here we have the laptop, Avita branding. So yeah, and it's complete aluminum metal, and I thought it'll be plastic for this range, but no, it's not plastic, it's complete aluminum metal. I'll try one hand opening. It goes to the half, and I think the hinge gets stuck. I have to use the other hand to open this, and first thing you notice opening the laptop is the keyboard. Let me close this. I'll go to the back of the laptop. Here you have such large air input, two down-falling speakers. Looks good. Okay. So after using this laptop for 2 days, I think I got this laptop on Saturday, and I'm doing this video on Monday, and tomorrow I'll get this video. So yeah, this laptop supports one hand lift, but it goes to the half, and the hinge doesn't allow me to open it completely, so I have to use the second hand. So yeah, this is one good feature about this. And then the fingerprint in this is just wow. You can unlock it in just 1 second or maximum 2 seconds. And coming to the weight of the laptop, it's just 1.25 kgs. It's very light. As you can see, it's very thin. I think the back part is not even more than 2 centimeters. It's like 1 point something. So yeah, back also it looks so thin, and holding this laptop is like almost holding a book. So yeah, you don't feel much weight. So as we are the Compare It bros, or compare it, so we have to compare this laptop with another laptop. So I have an old Dell Vostro 1520, which is a 15.6 inch very big laptop, and this is just 14 inch. So you can see the amount of difference between the screens. So this is 14 and this is 15.6. The Dell is 15.6, and you can see it's the Avita looks so small in front of this Dell Vostro, and there's large gap between those. So yeah, let me keep this aside. So speaking about the laptop, this Avita is like very slim, and you can easily open this, but Dell Vostro you have to give too much pressure to open it. And yeah, I have to again reframe the video so that you can see both the laptops. And this Avita looks so tiny in front of this Dell. No, seriously, it looks so tiny. So let me unlock this. Yeah, unlocks very fast. So down and restarts in just 20 seconds. But this Dell, which is my old laptop, takes almost around a minute or so. So by the time this Dell laptop opens up, I'll tell the specifications of this laptop, which I have, a Avita Liber V14. So this comes with i5 10th gen processor, and 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. It has a processor of Intel 620 which is integrated, and then they claim a battery life of 10 hours. This has fingerprint, backlit keyboard, and full HD display. So yeah, this is like a compact laptop with a compact price. I'll tell you the price range. As you all know, the price range is just 35,000. The time I got in Amazon, it was just 35,000. Okay, see the Dell Vostro, you can see that flickering of the laptop. So I think there is like no much comparison. This Dell is also too much weight. It's almost around 2.25 kgs, and this is mere 1.25 kgs. So let me come back to the mainstream of Avita Liber V14. So the refresh rate is amazing. So let me turn on Google. Let's go to YouTube. So this trackpad is really big. So you have multi-gesture trackpad. So you can like press for a smooth experience. You can scroll down using 2 fingers. You can move between the folders using 3 fingers. Or you can also go to the desktop using 4 fingers. So you have some cool features here of the trackpad, and the trackpad is very big. So guys, ours is compared. So you're seeing the channel, press the like button, share button, subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the ghanta. So next we go to restarting this laptop. So you'll see how much second it takes to restart. So yeah, counting from now: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Okay, 20 seconds you have your laptop restarted, and it works very smooth. The fingerprint is like amazing fast. So yeah, this is a beautiful laptop. And this trackpad, yeah, it is actually made up of plastic but gives you that metallic finish which many other laptop fail. And you can see how large this trackpad is. I have kept on Apsara 15 centimeter scale, and this is almost 15 centimeters. It's like 14.89 like that. So we'll consider it 15 centimeters itself. And coming to the battery, you can see I'll move my cursor to the battery. So yeah, it shows 67% remaining and 5 hours 30 minutes almost. So 67% for 6 hours is not good. Like not good according to when you compare with the Apple MacBooks, but for Windows laptop this is just brilliant. So yeah, about the ports, this Avita Liber V14 has a charging port, USB 3.0, USB Type C, which is not Thunderbolt, and you have micro HDMI card reader. On the other side you have micro SD card slot, headphone jack, and USB 3.0 for the sound test. So let me play this NCS Warrior song so you guys can get to know. Let me increase it to its 100%. So yeah, see, there is like a lot difference. This is the real sound from the laptop. Now let me turn off my lights to show you how the backlit keyboard works. And yes, I've turned it on. You have 3 variants. One is high, medium, and turning off the backlit. So yeah, let me turn it on to high and show you from the top. This is how it looks. It's just brilliant. You can't express it in just a video, but the backlit is like beautiful, because the laptop which I used to use, the Dell one, it didn't have a backlit, but this has backlit, fingerprint, all the accessories which is like used for productive work. Now let me increase the brightness to 100%. As you guys can see, that is increased. So the brightness, display, the sound, the speakers, all are amazing. Okay, now my final words about this laptop. Pros: it is cheap and best at just 35,000. i5 10th gen processor, 512GB SSD, 8GB DDR4 RAM, backlit keyboard. You get fingerprint sensor. The design is just amazing. Build quality is also very good. Large trackpad with multi gestures. Integrated Intel UHD graphics 620. You get 6 to 7 hours battery life. That is very good. Full HD display with anti-glare, and you have many options with the ports also. Speakers is also good. Now let me come to the cons part. Firstly, the camera is not good. Even though it's 720 pixels, comparing it with Mi notebooks, it doesn't stand anywhere. And second point is that Avita is a good company, but not much service centers in India. So I hope they rectify this and make it a solution for others. The third point is that it, even though it is a matte finish laptop, but it leaves those finger marks on the body, which is like not easily erasable. So that finger mark stays there for maybe around days until you clean them up. And fourth point is the charger. I think they should have given a 65-watt fast charger when like even the Dell laptop which I showed you, that also has 65-watt fast charger. But this is just 40-watt. So I hope they rectify this too. These were the only 4 cons, and pros are like too many. So my final verdict is this is the best laptop you can buy. Please do go to Amazon and buy it from there. Thank you.